So the coronavirus has basically got me kicked out of school. So what happened was I went to school and the teacher asked me how I was, and I said I feel sick, sarcastically. And then I started coughing because I had a dry throat. And yeah, that just resulted in me getting kicked out of school. So, yeah. I called my mom, told her, well, the school called my mom, then I called her and told her what happened, and I just basically got kicked out. Well, if you're ever planning to get out of school, just cough. Literally, that's just cough, and then you'll get kicked out straight away.